Hello, welcome to Froggity Frog Crochet, and this is your guide to crocheting the moss stitch for yourself. This is a really pretty beginner stitch and is so easy to create. And you just need to start with a foundation chain in any multiples of 2.
So we're going to start in the 4th chain from our hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to make a single crochet. What I love about the moss stitch is that you don't need stitch markers for this one. It's really easy to find that first stitch of the row. So now we're going to chain 1. We're going to skip the next stitch and make a single crochet in the next. Chain 1, skip the next stitch, single crochet in the next. And that's the repeat across your row. Chain 1, skip a stitch, single crochet. And then when you get to the final 2 stitches, skip a stitch, single crochet in the last row. And that's row 1. Then we turn. We're going to chain 2. Now this is the turning chain, and we're working into that later. You're not going to work into this first stitch, you're going to work into the chain space here. So ignore this first stitch, work into the chain space and make a single crochet. Chain 1. Into the next chain space, make a single crochet. Chain 1. We don't work into the stitch, we work into the chain space and make a single crochet. Chain 1. Our final stitch of the row is into the chain space. So you can see it nice and clearly there. And they just make a single crochet into that space. And turn. The rest of the moss stitch is a repeat of row 2. Chain 2, skip the first stitch and work a single crochet into the chain space. Chain 1, into the next chain space, make a single crochet, chain 1. Into the next chain space, make a single crochet, chain 1. Repeat that across the row until you get to the end. You don't work into this stitch here, you're going to work into the chain space, which is here, and make a single crochet. And that's a repeat of row 2, and it staggers the stitches so you get this lovely interlocking single crochet pattern. So for the rest of the moss stitch you just repeat row 2 for as many rows as you need.
The moss stitch looks fabulous whether you use it with a single colour or you change colour every rows. It looks amazing no matter what. So I hope you've enjoyed that stitch guide and found it useful. And don't forget to subscribe for more stitch guides, patterns, and other crochet tips from Froggity Frog Crochet. Thank you for listening.